So in this video, we are going to learn how to share images from Instagram post on Twitter automatically. So using this automation, you can automate your social media related tasks. Suppose guys, you are an Instagrammer and on a regular basis, you share or create new posts on your Instagram profile. Now you want to share the same image as a new tweet on your Twitter profile as well. Now guys, the manual process of posting the same images on two platforms can be very much repetitive and time consuming. So using this automation guys, whenever a new post will be created in your Instagram account, automatically the same image with the same caption will be tweeted on our Twitter profile as well. And also with the link of the Instagram post, you can add that link in your Twitter tweet as well. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Instagram to Twitter. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Instagram profile, our Instagram account with Pabbly Connect, so that every time we share a new post on our Instagram account, the details of that post should be captured inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow should be triggered. It should start. And then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the same new post details from Instagram to Twitter so that we can tweet the same image which we have shared on our Instagram profile automatically with the same caption. So how you can do this? Let's see. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, first search for Instagram. Select Instagram for business. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select new media posted in my account. After selecting this trigger event, click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we have to connect our Instagram for business account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Instagram for business button. And we will see our Instagram account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now because I have already logged into my Instagram account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and make the connection. And here guys, after making the connection, you can see Instagram account to use. Under this, you can see the same account that we have created in which we have logged in. Now after making this connection, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last post, the details of the most recent post which we have shared on our Instagram profile will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, before clicking on save and send test request, we are going to share a new post on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram over here and let's create a post. Click on this create button. Let's select a media file from the computer. For example, this is it, Instagram post. This is the picture. Next, let's add the caption. So here guys, I have already copied a caption. Let me paste it over here. And this is it. So after adding this caption guys, as we all know, we have a character limit of 280 characters per tweet on our Twitter account. So here guys, the caption which you are adding in your Instagram profile, you have to make sure that the caption is less than the 280 characters. But if not, if you are adding some long captions in your Instagram profile, then there is a way to trim the caption after 280 words inside Pabbly Connect. So how you can do that? We will also see that in this video. So here guys, let's share this post on my Instagram profile first. We have added the caption and the image. Let's click on the share button and it is done. Now we will see that just now on our Instagram profile, we have shared a new post. And after sharing this post, what we are going to do, we will be going back to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same post which we have just now shared. So here you can see the URL, the media URL, the link of the image which we have shared in this post. Let's copy this link, paste it in a new tab. And then here you can see that we will see the same image which we have just now shared. Then after sharing this image, after getting this image URL, we also get the link, the URL of this post. So let's copy this link from here, go to a new tab and paste it over here as well. So here you can see that we have the link of the same post as well. And after all of this, at last here you can see that we have added or we have received the response of the caption as well. The same caption which we have added on our Instagram post is now received inside Pabbly Connect. Now this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Instagram account with Pabbly Connect and received the response of a new post, the details of a new post from Instagram in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now here guys, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we have to ensure that the caption which we have received from Instagram, this caption should not exceed the limit of 280 characters. Now here to do so, what we can do, we just have to scroll down, come to our action window, and to make this sure, we just have to use a feature of Pabbly Connect that is called text formatter. So in the action step in the drop down, select text formatter. After selecting text formatter by Pabbly, in action event from the drop down, we have to select this action event as truncate. So here the help text says truncate shorten the given string and add ellipse at the end of the string. So using this feature truncate, we can basically using this feature truncate, we can basically shorten the text as well in our Instagram caption and add that same text as a caption on our Twitter tweet. So just click on connect button over here. And after clicking on connect, the first thing it asks us is the text. So that what is the text whom we want to shorten? So here we want to shorten the caption of the Instagram post which we have received. So here guys, we just have to map the same caption over here. And the process of mapping is very simple. Just click on this field and in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which you have received from Instagram. And out of all of these responses, select this response of caption and map it over here. The next thing it asks us is max length. That what is the maximum length of this text we want to receive in response. So we have a limit of 280 characters in Twitter. So for example, we want a max length or we'll take a max length of, for example, 275. So after 275 characters, it will add the ellipse, the basically 3 dots in the same text. Then it is asking us skip characters. So do we want to skip any kind of characters in the same text? If you want, you can just enter the skip characters over here. And then it is also asking us append ellipses. So do you want to add the ellipses, the 3 dots by the end of the text or not? So we want to add, so we are selecting true over here. And then here it is asking us append ellipses text. So here guys, in the end of the ellipses, instead of 3 dot, if you want, you can add some kind of text as well, like read more, know more, or anything like that. So if you want, you can also add that kind of text over here. But guys, here you will notice that we also want to mention the link of our Instagram post in the same text. So here let's change the maximum length of this caption to be, for example, 200 characters. This is the max length we want. After this, the ellipses, the 3 dots will be added in the caption, which we will be adding in our tweet on Twitter. After this, just click on the save and send test request button. And here in response, you can see that here we have received this response. Now, because the caption which we have entered in this Instagram post is only of 177 characters. So here guys, that is because you can't see any change over here. But if you write any of the caption after adding this step, if you write any of the caption of more than 200 characters on our Instagram profile, then automatically using this truncate feature of Pabbly Connect, the 3 dots will be added after 200 characters. And with the same caption with the 3 dots, we will be sharing a tweet on our Twitter profile. And you can actually change the length of the text as well in the same truncate feature. Now after changing or formatting the caption, what we have to do? We just want to create a tweet. We just want to share this Instagram image on our Twitter profile. So just click on this add action step button and then here in choose app, search for Twitter. Select Twitter. And then in action event from the drop down, select the action event as create tweet with media. Just select it, click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Twitter account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Twitter button. And then here, because we have logged into our Twitter account in our browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. Just click on this authorize app button and now we will see our Twitter account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, it is basically asking us 3 different things. And first thing it asks us is the message. And in this message section, we have to enter the text, the caption of our Instagram profile, which we want to share on Twitter with the image. So here guys, we have received this caption from Instagram. This is it. And using this truncate feature of Pabbly Connect, we have also restricted the character length of this caption as well. Now after this, from this response of this truncate feature, we have to map this same response over here. So just click on this field and from the drop down from text format or responses, select this response of truncated text. Now after this, we also want to mention the link, the URL of our Instagram post. And we have also received the permanent URL of our Instagram post in response from Instagram in the trigger window. And this is it. And we also want to map the same response over here. So after adding this caption of our Instagram post in our tweet, we just have to, in the next line, we just have to mention or map the response of Instagram link. Just click and map it over here. Now after this, the next thing it asks us is the media file URL. That what is the URL? What is the link of the image which we want to share on our Twitter account? So just click on this field and from the drop down from Instagram responses, select this response of media URL. Just select it and it will be mapped over here. So whatever image we are going to share on our Instagram profile as a new post, with the same image, a new tweet will be shared on our Twitter account. And at last, in media category from the drop down, select image. After mapping all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request button. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the image whose link we have mapped over here with this caption and this post link, a new tweet is being shared on our Twitter account. So let's check it. We will go to our Twitter account. We'll just refresh our Twitter page once. And yes guys, here you can see that the same image which we have just now posted on our Instagram profile is shared as a new tweet on our Twitter account. So the message in this tweet says, watching the sunrise at the beach is a reminder that every day is a fresh start. Take a deep breath and let the warmth of the sun fill you with positivity and hope for the new day. And after that, here we can see the link of the same Instagram post. Just click on this link and it will take us to the Instagram profile. So in this way, guys, you can see that just now we have created this automation workflow using which you can automatically share or post the same image which you have shared on our Instagram profile on our Twitter account as a new tweet. And you can also add the same caption in the Instagram profile link as well. Now guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. We are going to create another post on our Twitter account. Just click on this create button. Let's select the image and here is the image. After selecting our image, let's add the caption as well. So I have already copied the caption and this is a pretty long caption. So because we have added this truncate feature of Pabbly Connect, we will see that Twitter allows only 280 words of caption or the tweet in the character text in Twitter per tweet. But here we can see that the caption which we have is of 324 characters. So let's see how this caption is converted into a tweet using this truncate feature. Click on the share button. So just now we have shared a new post on our Instagram profile, a new image. And we will see as we share this post on our Instagram profile, within 10 minutes, a new tweet will be shared on our Twitter account with the same post and the same caption. And also we will include the link, the URL of our Instagram post as well. So let's wait for 10 minutes. And guys, it usually takes 10 minutes because the connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. Now this means every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will get the details of our updated post or updated data from our Instagram profile inside Pabbly Connect workflow and trigger this automation workflow. So here guys, let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so it's been more than 10 minutes now. Let's refresh our Twitter profile once. And yes guys, here you can see that a new post, a new tweet is shared from our Twitter profile. We have the same caption which we have added in our Instagram profile by posting this image. And then this was a pretty long caption. So here you can see that on our Twitter profile, after 200 characters which we have added in this truncate feature, after 200 characters, we have added some ellipses, the 3 dots over here. Instead of these 3 dots, you can add some other thing like read more or no more as well. And here you can see the same image which we have shared on our Twitter profile. And also you can see the link of our Twitter post as well in the same tweet. So when you will click on this link, it will take you to our Instagram post. Now this means guys, you can see that our automation workflow which we have created in this video is working absolutely fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, You can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So, if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down to your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.